Get ready, truck lovers. The 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 has arrived, and it is tougher, smarter, and more unstoppable than ever before. This is not just a redesign. This is a revolution in the world of pickup trucks. Today, we are unboxing every detail, from its commanding presence to the smallest innovations that set it apart. Trust me, you've never seen a Silverado like this before. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Thank you for clicking this video. I truly appreciate your time and passion for great trucks. May your dreams of success and happiness come true, and may one day you own the vehicle you desire. Let's dive into this journey together and discover why the 2026 Silverado 1500 might just be your next big step toward power, style, and achievement. At first glance, the redesigned Silverado 1500 commands respect. Its bold front grille has been reimagined with a more aggressive stance, flanked by sharp LED headlights that cut through the night. The muscular hood lines tell a story of raw strength, while the aerodynamic shape hints at smarter engineering. Every inch has been crafted to blend toughness with sophistication. Moving around the sides, the 2026 Silverado showcases refined wheel arches housing rugged alloy wheels, ready for any terrain. Chrome accents add a premium touch, while the redesigned tailgate integrates smart functionality. Whether parked in your driveway or charging down the highway, this truck makes a statement of capability and confidence. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that combines rugged durability with luxury. Premium leather seats wrap around you in comfort, while the redesigned dashboard features a massive touchscreen for navigation, entertainment, and control. The attention to detail, from soft-touch materials to smart storage solutions, makes every drive a pleasure. Technology takes center stage inside the Silverado 1500. You'll find wireless smartphone integration, a premium audio system, and advanced driver assist features that make every journey safer. From adaptive cruise control to a 360-degree camera view. This truck is not only tough, it's also incredibly smart and connected. Under the hood, the 2026 Silverado 1500 offers powerful engine choices, including a high-output V8 for raw strength and a hybrid variant for efficiency without compromise. Enhanced suspension and multiple drive modes let you conquer city streets, highways, or off-road trails with complete confidence. This is a truck built for any challenge. Chevrolet has ensured that the Silverado 1500 offers incredible value for its class. With pricing that remains competitive, you're getting unmatched strength, advanced technology, and refined luxury in one package. It's an investment that delivers both capability and prestige, making it a smart choice for work and play. The redesigned 2026 Silverado Muy 500 isn't just a pickup, it's a bold statement. It tells the world you're ready for anything, with a vehicle that's as hardworking and ambitious as you are. Every detail has been perfected to ensure it stands out, not just today, but for years to come. Thank you for watching this unboxing of the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. I hope you feel inspired and excited by what this truck has to offer. Remember, dreams are within your reach. Keep pushing forward. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and share it with fellow truck lovers. Until next time, drive safe and dream big.